In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and join a Zoom call directly from Slack. If you're someone who frequently uses both Slack and Zoom for work or personal communication, this integration can really streamline your experience, making it much simpler and faster to hop into meetings. Let's walk through this step by step so that you can master this process with confidence. To begin, you'll want to navigate to a Slack channel where you typically interact with your co-workers or team members. This is going to be your starting point. Here, you have two simple options for joining a meeting. You can either click on an existing Zoom call link shared in the channel, or start a call yourself by taking a few additional steps that we'll discuss shortly. Once you're in the channel, you'll see an option to start a huddle. This is a great way to initiate informal meetings. Click on Start Huddle to set up a quick discussion with your channel members. And when you're ready to leave the meeting, simply click on Leave to exit the huddle with ease. Now, to integrate Zoom with Slack, you first need to search for apps within Slack. Click on the icon that lets you search or browse through available apps and integrations. Once there, you'll want to find the section labeled Create and Find Workflows and Apps. Here, click on Apps to explore the different applications that can be seamlessly integrated with Slack, Zoom being one of them. The next step is to add Zoom to your Slack workspace. Just click on Add where prompted. After that, a link will appear prompting you to open Zoom in Slack. Hit Open in Slack to proceed. If a security notice pops up, don't worry, it's standard protocol. You'll need to click on the option to open the link in your browser, which will redirect you to the integration setup. Once Zoom is successfully integrated into Slack, you'll have the ability to begin using it right away. In the chat, type the command Zoom. This command is useful for launching meeting features directly from where you're typing. A helpful menu will appear with options such as Help, Meeting, Join, Starting, or Call. This interface helps you find the specific Zoom feature you need quickly. To start a meeting, you simply need to type in any message or set your configuration preferences as needed. Once those settings are tailored to what you require, you're good to go. To see all your interactions, click on Messages, where you'll find a record of your conversations and meeting logs. With these steps, you should now be able to effortlessly start and join Zoom calls using Slack. This integration not only saves time but enhances productivity, allowing you to easily transition between text-based and video-based conversations within your workflow. Happy Zooming!